Pok Fu Lam Road Playground is located in the central and western district of Hong Kong Island, at the northeast corner near the junction of Smithfield Road and Pok Fu Lam Road, near Pok Fu Lam Reservoir and surrounded by many residential areas.
Wow, see, that's a tall tree.
Wow, it's so big.
Wow, let's measure the tree.
Okay.
Is it cut up?
Wow.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Maybe it's too big.
It's so hot.
It's so hot.
I-
It's so hot today.
I want some shadow. Oh, what's that?
Oh, these are Ficus microcarpa. In some tree-lined areas of the park, people entering the park will naturally gather in areas with shade and seating, which will make them feel more comfortable. Is it because there are a lot of trees here, so that it's shady? Yes. It's too hot today. Yeah, okay. There are many shaded rest areas in the park. People enjoy taking a break here, relaxing and feeling the beauty of the shade.
Wow, look at this. They are all cut it down. Do you know why?
The plant density is too high.
Wow, that's why the branches were cut off in the first place. There are some spaces in the park that are sparsely treed and less comfortable, forcing people in these spaces to find other areas for shading. Places with little shade in the park, such as children's playground, children mostly play under the sun, and sometimes they use the structure itself to avoid the sun.
係啦，我想知咧，你哋點解中意喺呢個公園玩嘅？
我唔係每日喺度玩嘅。
哦，
係啊係啊
係咪你喺附近住定係？
係啦係啦，我係喺呢邊附近住。
哦，OK，你覺得呢個公園有咩好啊？
唔係好多嘢玩咯，就係經你哋先好多嘢玩啊！呢度唔係好多嘢。
Hello，小朋友，你覺得呢個公園好唔好玩啊？好玩點解啊？係咪因為呢度都多樹蔭，所以覺得呢度
多嘅，周圍有山，係比較靜啲嘅。
哦靜啲呢度？哦 OK， 咁你係咪成日都會嚟呢度㗎？每日都嚟呢度？哦 OK。
Planting some shrubs between the cut trees can help cover the bare soil, enhance the visual effect, and make the park landscape richer. After our renovation, the site will be more suitable for animals to stay and forage, forming a park that is more leisurely comfortable and friendly to both humans and animals. Overall, the park is pleasant and residents are willing to take a break to cool off, and there is some biodiversity in the park. But as a playground, the park lacks interest. The landscape is not well layered and some areas are too hot to use.